Do you know your value? Let's understand by a story. A father actually hands his son a watch treasured by their family over 2 centuries. But before the watch actually becomes yours, he told his son, you go to the town and find out how much it is worth. Remember, don't sell the watch, just find its value and return back. The son actually goes to a local pawn shop that inspects the watch and offers him $100. The son returns and informs his father. Then the father actually asks him to go to a watch dealer and check the value. The son goes there to a watch dealer who actually examines the watch closely, and he offers him about $1,000. The son is excited that the watch dealer offered him actually 10 times more than the pawnbroker, and he comes back and informs his father. And the father then asks his son to go and visit a museum and check its value. The son actually then goes to a museum curator and who examines the watch. To his amazement, the curator's eyes actually lit up as he examines the watch. The curator says, it's not just any watch, it's a rare vintage piece, which the collectors actually want worldwide. Its actual value is about $100,000. Owen, the son, actually rushes home to share the incredible news with his father. At that moment, the father actually says, I never intended you to sell this watch. The true lesson is that, the right place will always recognize and appreciate your worth. So if you ever find yourself undervalued, remember that it's simply a sign that you are probably in the wrong place. So the key learnings for me in this story is, value can differ. The story actually shows that what someone is worth can change depending on who's actually looking at it, right? Second is being appreciated actually matters. It teaches you the importance of, being in a place where your worth is actually recognized and valued. 3, believe in yourself. Trust your value. Even if others don't see it, it's about having confidence in yourself, no matter what others say. Now, the questions for you to reflect are, have you ever felt undervalued or underappreciated, maybe in the job? And how did you handle it? The second question is, assess your workplace, your social circles or relationships, right? Do you feel genuinely valued and appreciated, or you feel overlooked? Just think about it. To conclude, knowing your true worth is essential in life. Everyone may not always recognize your value, right? But remember, the right place and the right people will always appreciate your worth. So never settle for being undervalued or unrecognized. Look out for the environments where your talents and contributions are actually recognized and valued. I hope you'll go and find your value today, right? And so that you can make your own assessment of where you stand. And that's all in this video. Please do click the like button and also click the subscribe button so that you'll get notified as and when a new video is posted. Thank you.